How to record a Canva presentation with Facecam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to record a Canva presentation along with yourself using Canva's built-in recording feature. Whether you're a teacher, business professional, or content creator, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. The first step is to prepare your presentation. Start by creating your presentation in Canva. Choose from a variety of templates and customize it to suit your needs. To make sure your presentation is polished and ready to go. The second step is to access Canva's recording feature. So, once your presentation is ready, click on the Upload button in the top right corner of the Canva editor. Then click on the Present button. This will display a drop-down window. Click on Present and Record. Click on Next and then click on Go to Recording Studio. The third step is to enable webcam recording. So, in the presentation mode, you'll see an option to enable webcam and audio recording. Click on Allow for all options that pop up. Then, click on the camera icon to turn on your webcam. Next, select your camera and audio devices. And it's time to start recording. With your webcam enabled, click on the Record button to start recording your presentation. Begin presenting your Canva content while your webcam captures your face. And finally, present your content. Go through your slides, speak clearly, and engage your audience as you present your Canva content. Make sure to maintain eye contact with the camera for a more personal connection. So, once you're done editing, it's time to end the recording. Once you're done presenting your content, click on the Stop button to end the recording. Canva will save your recorded presentation. Now it's time to share your recording. Finally, save your recorded presentation to your Canva account or download it to your computer. You can then share with others via email, social media, or any other platform of your choice. You can also, of course, copy the link to the video. And there you have it. Recording a Canva presentation with Facecam is quick, easy, and hassle-free, thanks to Canva's built-in recording feature. And if you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.